can see. See that? There's splashes and things all over. A lot of these are marks, they won't come off, but it's mixed in with splashes of food. So when you're cleaning blinds, a couple of wet washcloths, dishwashing liquid spray is fine. This is why you do this before you wash the windows, because as soon as you start to spray it, you get all over the windows. So you do the blinds before you do the windows. All right? And you're literally spraying it, and you're gonna grab your cloths, one in each hand, like that. Whilst you hold on to it, you do it very lightly. Don't squeeze tight. All right, this is really important when you break the top of it. So just go down with it. And if you see a spot, like we had that spot earlier, hold on to it with one hand. See that? And just rub with the other one. So you're not putting any pressure up above on the actual blind itself. One final wipe. And then you let it dry, right? So this is going to still have the white marks on it. That's a time thing, it happens, and black ones do suffer from that. But I do have to wash quite a few of these, so I'll get down and do that. So you can see the difference it's made now. The blinds, a lot of the white spots did come off, I didn't think they would. And this is how getting that stain off works. Can't find it now, perfect. Nice and clean.
Now I'm going to jump into some hints about mouldy blinds for you in a moment, but if your friends can benefit from this video, please share it with them. And if you have a question, whack it in the comments below, hit that like button, you know the works. So let's get down to this mouldy blinds. Now look, I'm really sorry for the slideshow aspect, but I forgot to video it. But hey, we need to kill that mould and kill it safely. How? Well, we can't use mould killer sprays from the supermarket. They contain bleach. Bleach can certainly damage window finishings and your carpet, so you can't use them. How do you know if it has bleach in it? Well, you just need to read the active ingredients, usually in the fine print right at the bottom, and you're looking for sodium hypochlorite. Sodium hypochlorite, it's also known as bleach, so we certainly can't use it. So what did I use to kill the mould? Well, my go-to all-purpose cleaner for anything for windows really is dishwashing liquid in water, but for mouldy ones I just add probably 5 to 10 drops of clove oil, because clove oil kills mould. So does white vinegar, right? But all I did was I literally sprayed it, left it for 5 minutes, and then washed it up using the same method that we used before. It works. Now for more handy hints with cleaning, just whack that face with the green circle to subscribe. Join me on this journey. Or you can have a look at a couple more videos, they're just here for you. Otherwise, thanks very much for watching and have a great day.